Hello, it's time to discuss the transformation, which is also another important and interesting property. The transform CSS property lets you rotate, scale, skew, or translate an element. It modifies the coordinate space of this with CSS. So you can see transform. This is so the actual shape transform to some other shape. Like we have this matrix, we have this scale, so this become the scale. So you can increase further the values, like we say 1 2 3.5 to okay. So this is another, so it's rotate. So in rotate you can also write the degree. This is the skew, this is the scale. Okay, so let's apply the transformation property. So we will begin. Uh, we have taken, this is our main HTML page. We have one section, and inside we have three paragraphs. So you can see we have these three paragraphs. So if we want to rotate this paragraph, so what we will do, we will write, for example, we want to rotate, so what we will do, we will come to a CSS, and these are the property set. So if you want to rotate this one, you can see now this one is rotated, but it does not look so meaningful. So instead we will write the 45 degree. Now you can see it's 45 degree. If we write plus 270 degree, this is a 270 degree, and we have 90 degree, or we write 150 degree. Become 150 degree. Okay, so we write like 70 degree, so you can rotate it. Okay, so there are some more properties also, like hue. Hue is another property. You can apply it as a paragraph. Okay, so if we apply this one, so we have a couple of rotation properties, like we apply this one, transform, translate x. Okay, similarly we have skew. This is another property, so you can apply inherit, so you can also apply the inherit. Like, sorry, this one is used to inherit properties, and we don't have inheritance properties, so it will be inherited from the section to which it belongs. So no, for example, if we apply some property to this, like we apply some transformation, like we apply rotate. Okay, so let's suppose we apply this one to section, and we write inherit, so this one will be inherit from section to which it belong. Okay, so section is also okay, this is transform and this is rotate, so you write, for example, 45 degree. So the whole section is now rotated 45 degrees, so it is beyond the screen. So let's apply it to the circle. Uh, we draw some circle and apply it like inside this body. We take a div. We take a div. Okay, and we draw a circle. Okay, so what we will do, for example, we write here, write div, write div, sorry, we write div, and we write the background color, okay. So suppose we set cyan, and we write red. We copy this but increase the width and height. So if we write to be 100, and we rather delete this. We don't need this. Okay. So from main text we also have to delete. So width height to be 200. Okay, and margin we set is from top 100 pixel, 0 and from we take 300 pixel. Okay, so see, okay, what happened, we have not saved it. Now we have this with this square, but we set the border radius. We write the border radius to be 50%, so it will be converted to a circle shape. So you now see, okay, it's not pixels, sorry, it's 50%, so it will be half converted to circle. So it's now you can see. So now apply the transformation property like we apply this property scale. Okay, so we'll write scale, and we will then come to browser and refresh. Oh, it's now scale. But oh, if we want to rotate, but we have to write something like inside it. Suppose we write inside I am a div. Okay, and we apply this property like rotate. So if we refresh this, we will see a div, but it outside because the margin is so we will take a paragraph instead. So no need, because uh, suppose we left it with the original text div. Okay, and we rotate it. So what we were right here. Okay, it's already rotated. Okay, so we save it. It's now rotated. Okay, so we apply the different style like this one, cube. So apply transformation to be this one, and we'll come and we can see, oh, it's now, you can see from this text also that it is transformed now. Okay, so we have some more property like translate. So translate it, it will translate it back. Okay, so this was all about the transformation. You can apply a different transformation transition to your blocks or your elements.